how to add or remove color filter to quick settings panel on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, open Control Center. So just swipe down. Now here, so click on this pen icon. So after click on this pen icon, click on edit. So after click on edit, so if you want to add color filter to quick settings panel, so click on color filter. So after click on color filter, so click on done and again click on done. You will see color filter is add on quick settings panel. So after the process, go back to home screen. So if you want to remove color filter to quick settings panel, so swipe down and click on pen icon and click on edit. So if you want to remove, so click on this minus icon. So after click on this minus icon, you will see color filter is removed on quick settings panel. So after the process, click on done, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can add or remove color filter to quick panel on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.